To change a wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy A07, go to Settings, scroll down and click Wallpaper and Style. Click Change Wallpapers, and here you can see some featured wallpaper, gallery option, graphical wallpapers and some default color from Samsung. However, I want a photo from my gallery as a wallpaper. So click on arrow next to the gallery and select the photo you want to set as a wallpaper. Click done, and here make sure to select lock screen and home screen if you want this wallpaper as lock screen wallpaper as well as home screen wallpaper. If you don't want lock screen wallpaper, you can unselect it as well. However, I want lock screen wallpaper as well. Click on next and click done, and see, here is the wallpaper. However, if you don't like any wallpaper from here, there is also an option of get more wallpapers. From this option, you can get hundreds of wallpaper for free. I hope this video helps.